This video is going to be an after school vlog. We're going grocery shopping. Alright, so you guys, it is around 1:30. I ended my online school and it went by very good because I took a shower in the morning. I washed my hair and took a nice refreshing shower, and I'm just super duper energetic right now. I don't have anything planned for the day, but I randomly decided to vlog because I posted a vlog earlier and you guys seem to love it for some kind of reason. So I decided to vlog today's day. I also posted a new video today because it's Thursday and I post videos every single Thursday. If you guys haven't seen that video yet, you can click it right here. So I got some packages yesterday. I sanitized them all and I think now it's the time to open those. I got 2 t-shirts for my dad for Father's Day, which is this Sunday, which is probably over while you are seeing this. And I also got a lilac t-shirt for Noria. Actually, it's her birthday, so I got it for her because just look at the color, how could you resist? I also got a parcel from Amazon and it was a laptop stand. That's all I had for now. I don't think I'm gonna do much. Oh, wait. Alright, I didn't know where the time went. It's literally 4 o'clock. And I have been talking to my friend who you just saw in the last clip for about an hour, and I didn't even realize it was an hour until now. But yeah, I think we are going out for grocery shopping today. Okay, let me just change this background real quick. I'll be back. Alright, first of all, I know you guys must be thinking the only place you have in my house, but yes, this is the literally only place in my house that gets good lighting. But yeah, as I was saying, we are going for grocery shopping today. By we, I mean me and my dad. That's the plan for now. And I have not stepped out of my house for about 3 months now, which is making me so nauseous. Don't worry, we'll be taking all precautions. We'll be wearing masks all time. We'll be sanitizing stuff and all. Here's a little montage of me doing grocery shopping. So yeah. We're going grocery shopping. Shopping done. Okay, I'm not driving, don't think that. I just wanted to come in the car and turn on the AC, that's why I'm here. But it is so hot. Hats off to the people who are outside for their work and stuff. I mean, I cannot do it, and people are staring at me while I'm saying this. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say. We're done with grocery shopping. I'll go home and sanitize everything, take a bath probably, and I'll see you guys then. Transition. I don't really know how the transition looked like, but I came back home, I took a shower. Just ignore the way I look. It is so hot, as I told you. I just switched on the AC and I am going to chill for like an hour or so. I like have nothing to do. I'll watch some YouTube, and that's all for now. I'll see you guys when I have something. Alright guys, a quick little change of plan. As I told you guys earlier, it is Noria's birthday today, so I'm deciding to go to her house. Don't worry, she just lives right in front of me, and so that's great. So I'm going to her house right now, but I wanted to show you guys my outfit. Also, like, this is the 4th time I'm changing my outfit, so sorry for that, but this is my outfit. I'm wearing this shirt that I wore in a previous video. I don't know where this is from. Then great joggers, savor for life, and I have a scrunchie. I just applied some lip balm and I think I'm good to go. I don't think I'll be able to vlog there that much, but I'll just add clips. What happened? Yes. Happy birthday to you. Hi guys, it is the next day and I wanted to do a quick little haul, but I'm not gonna show you like everything because the bill is super duper long and you don't want to get bored. So I have a few items from the grocery shop that I went yesterday and I wanted to show those to you. So the first thing that I got is something that I saw and I wanted right away, and it is Pringles. Oh my god, I love Pringles, but especially this variant. The pizza variant is amazing. I love it more than like the sour cream onion, and I was finding this for a long time but I couldn't really get it, so I got this. The second thing that I got are these nutties. I love them, they are literally so delicious. So this next item is top ramens. I got like a full pack, so there are so many in that pack, and one is this. So I love these more than Maggi nowadays. I have been obsessed with ramen. I also got this biscuit, which is the Monaco in the pizza variant, and this literally tastes like pizza. I'm not even kidding. I also got this potata. I don't know the name, but this is what it is. I got this like a few months back and I love it so much. There are like spicy biscuits and it also doesn't have any maida. I also got Taco Bell. I got like so many, but I'm showing you one. Then I also got one of my favorite things, Betty Crocker's pancake mix. I love this. It's literally so easy to make pancakes. Just add water and you have your pancakes ready. Like the batter is ready. Next up, I got my favorite dip, which is this cheesy dip by Cornettos, and it's the jalapeno. Yeah, it's the jalapeno variant. The last thing I'm going to show you in this haul is this Oreo milk cake mix. So when I saw this, I was like, I've never really tried this and I wanted to see what it looked like because I've always loved Oreo, and I was like, I should give it a shot because I don't even know how this is gonna turn out like. I'll be showing you the review of this like in another vlog when I try it, because I cannot say much because I have never ever tried this. But yeah, that's all for my haul. I'm not showing you guys all the items that I got because this video will be like 16 minutes long and I don't want to do that. But with that being said, I'll end my vlog right here and I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Just click here, you can literally subscribe. And if you're watching this video till here, comment this emoji and I will know that you are someone who watched the video till the end. Yeah, I'll see you guys on next Thursday. Bye.